Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Post-mortem findings in carbon monoxide poisoning. In carbon monoxide poisoning, there is cherry red discoloration of the skin, mucous membrane, blood, and post-mortem staining. Blisters like subcutaneous blisters can be seen over the dependent parts of the body, buttocks, calf, and knee. In delayed death, there can be bilateral symmetrical necrosis of the globus pallidus and putamen. This bilateral symmetrical necrosis of globus pallidus and putamen is characteristic. Tests to
thank you and thank you for watching.